Hello everyone, welcome to Pragmatic. Here I am explaining the new feature of Hotel Management app, that is the dynamic pricing. So far in our Hotel Management app, the prices of the rooms were defined from the room masters itself. That is basically, if I select a room called 1001, now any particular room, for example, here was the prices which were defined, and from here the whole reservations used to the prices used to pick up from here. But with a new feature that we are introducing, called the dynamic pricing, a hotelier can publish the prices for the future. That is, it could be for a week, or it could be for a month, or it could be even for a half year or full year. So how does it work? Let's explore. So first thing is, in the hotel we have provided a new feature that is called dynamic price list. This boolean is what enables the checking mechanism of, rather than driving it from the product masters, it drives the whole prices from the price list masters. And how does this work? We have given something called as hotel price list. Over here a hotelier can define the prices. It could be for a month, it could be for a week, or it could be for a couple of days or something like that. And we can put out the prices. You can see over here, currently there is only one day which we have put out, that is for 13th to 14th. We have a prices, and which is 5,000. Now let's get into a reservation and see how does this work. I'll create a new reservation. I'll go to customer. I'll choose the appropriate hotel. We will choose the price list as well. And now we shall see the booking. Now for 12th to 13th, let me quickly show you how does it work. I'll try to select the room 1001. It clearly says the room couldn't find a price list line matching this date, because in the price list, in the selected price list for the particular date, the check-in and check-out date, I am not able to find a price. The system doesn't find a price, and because of which it throws an error. But if you choose now, for example, we have the 13th to 14th. You can see over here, I'll choose 13, apply. We can choose 1001. You can see the price floating up. Meanwhile, if I want the continuous prices, for example, let's go ahead and add the prices. That is room 1001 will take up a price of 4,000 for 15th, and we'll add 16th. And for the weekend, let's take the same room and we'll increase the price. That is 6,000. That is basically 16th to 17th. As you know, weekend prices can surge. So we'll close this. You can see over here. So from 15th to 16th and 16th to 17th. Now, if I do the same reservation, I'll discard this. I'll create a new one where I say 15th will be my check in at 12 o'clock, and checkout will be on 17th at 11 o'clock. And I get the room. I check the premium rooms and I say 101. You can see 10,000. That is because we have the price for 15th as 4,000 and price for 16th as 6,000. So automatically the prices get added up and I can continue ahead with the reservation. So with this, we have put out a mechanism in such a way that the prices can be purely defined by the hoteliers in an option called price list, and it can be driven forward. Whereas if there is no prices for a particular period or for a particular time, the bookings or the reservations will not happen. So this is the new feature. Hope it benefits the whole industry. Thank you.